Oh,
did you bring the flashlight over here?
It redid itself. Damn it. Yep. Look at the sky. This is awesome. We're getting some on-the-job training right here. The ZX-10's getting a new eyeball. Man, that road rash almost looks like camouflage. Look at that.
I'm gonna go to MMI to hold a light.
Are you a certified mechanic, sir?
I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing.
This is awesome.
I'm just hoping and praying right now.
Yep. We'll get the light bulb in and Sean's ready to go home, so, you know.
I'm ready to go home, ready to ride. But
awesome.
Light bulb survived.
Yep. It's got the Suzuki flashlight working on a Kawasaki. Showing the Kawasaki some love.
Oh yeah, I'm showing some love.
Alright, I want to make sure the sunlight's pointed, right?
Yeah.
Hey, look at that. It works. That's scary.
I don't need that anymore.
Nope.
Well, yeah, you do.
Are you feeling good about yourself?
And the Allen wrench.
Wood wrench.